What's up, YouTube? Jeff back from Sammy Guru again, and I don't even know what to say about this weekend. It was absolutely insane. I had tons of videos planned for One UI 7 tutorial content, and those all got destroyed because Samsung delayed the One UI 7 release. We'll have a full video on that over on the Sammy Guru channel, so make sure you subscribe. There'll be a link to subscribe to our new Sammy Guru channel. But today we also have a look at One UI 8.0. Yes, One UI 7 release got halted because of a bug. They've stopped the rollout. And One UI 8 got leaked, and I don't even know what's going on anymore. But we're going to try to make sense of it in today's video, show you guys some of this One UI 8 stuff. Before we get started, remind you guys, make sure you check out the website. We cover all the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. We also have our mystery box program. You get a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand if you pre-order an upcoming Samsung device like the S25 Edge, Z Fold 7, or the Z Flip 7. Put in your phone number, email, or both, and you can get all that stuff. We cover the shipping costs. It is US only. We love doing it for our readers and viewers. Also, if you guys are wondering which wall I'm using, this is actually the new One UI 8 Walls wallpaper pack from our writer at Sammy Guru, Josh. And it's a beautiful pack. He has it available over on his Gumroad. You guys can see I purchased it myself because I wanted to support him. But it's got a bunch of beautiful walls. If you guys want to check it out, I'll drop the link below. You can get a freebie, and then you can also purchase the full pack like I did for just a couple of bucks. So check it out. I really love this wallpaper pack. So let's go ahead and jump into the One UI 8 leaks. So One UI 7 got delayed, and One UI 8 officially leaked. SmartPre leaked it. We covered over on Sammy Guru as well. Basically, not a lot of big changes, which we kind of expected, right? One UI 7 was a massive overhaul, so we expected One UI 8 would be fairly minimal changes here and there, and that is indeed what happened. So this is a build running on the Z Fold 6, and there are some interesting differences. Obviously, the build has the April security patch. It has a May Google Play System update, which is in the future, so we're doing some time traveling. Here you guys can see the pictures. I'll show you guys. Here's what it looks like. Again, this is a Z Fold 6, so you can see there the big unfolded version. You can see here the software information running Android 16, One UI 8.0. See the build number here ending in CYD7, I believe. Google Play System update May 1st, 2025. There's Android 16 animation. Of course, Google's been testing Android 16 in beta form for quite a while on the Pixel devices. So the stable version of Android 16 is going to roll out for Pixels probably even in late May sometime. The new My Files, they've added some blur and transparency to various things. So there's minimal changes from One UI 7, but there are some stylistic changes. A lot of people have been asking for more blur, more transparency options here or there. Not sure I fully love the way the design is looking. You can see this is the changes they've made to the gallery and the My Files kind of setup, some smaller things. And then here's the notifications. They've added some additional like blur and transparency options in the notifications. This is settings. You can see they've added those same sort of elements here as well. There's also the Now Brief settings, content to include, expand Now Brief without unlocking. All this stuff is in One UI 7. So you can see a lot of the same options that are there for One UI 7 in terms of Now Brief options. You can see all the lists here: travel, events and tasks, routines, communication. There's a few things here, it looks like, that aren't fully listed. There are some things here that I spotted on the S24 Ultra beta build, like battery status, that's there as well. So that could be included in One UI 8 in addition. So it's got the same colored like gradient welcome wallpaper as One UI 7. Not everything there has been changed. So as Josh mentioned in our article, My Files get shorter, rectangular file types on the main page, more blurred, like I said, with solid buttons for a little bit of contrast on the look. I'm not sure I love the look of that. If that's like a wider indication of what they're going to change in all the stock apps. This is early build, so probably not necessarily going to be, a huge, indicator of what's going to exactly happen with One UI 8. But One UI 8 is going to release a lot earlier because obviously One UI 7 has just been an unmitigated disaster. We would expect the beta for One UI 8 to start in late July, sometime in August, potentially. The big story here is that Samsung has said that the Now Brief will be coming with the One UI update. Basically, this build suggests that the One UI update 8 update will bring the Now Brief to the Z Fold 6, the Z Flip 6, and the S24 series. At a minimum, those three device series will get the Now Brief. Now, this is not an official statement from Samsung PR rep. I want to clarify that. It's basically based off the fact that the Now Brief is included in this early One UI 8 build. It suggests they are planning to bring Now Brief out of the exclusive phase on the S25 series and to these older devices when it comes to the beta, perhaps later this year. The S24 series should get the beta, right after the S25 series gets the One UI 8 beta. Like we said, it does look like it's very iterative. We expect One UI 8 to launch in stable with the Z Fold 7 in July. And then I would expect maybe the beta program for the S25 series will launch around that same time as the stable launch, maybe even a little earlier. Maybe we could see a beta in June. Although given the disaster of the One UI 7 rollout, I honestly don't know, because they still have these bugs, which, like I said, we'll have a full video talking about the bugs and the halting of that One UI 7 rollout over on the Sammy Guru channel, which you guys should definitely check out. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like this new look? It's got more blur, some different design elements that are very minimal, but definitely there. Let me know what you guys think about it if you like this look. I don't know that it really is something that is a home run for me yet, but it is still an early build, so keep that in mind. But I'm curious to hear what you guys think about it in the comments section below. Also, again, make sure you check out the One UI 8 wallpaper pack from Josh. It's a very, very cool pack. It's got a lot of great walls in there. Make sure you check out the mystery box program as well. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.